सरोज सर टीडी एजुकेशन को स्वागत students. Today we discuss the important chapter in 10th class English grammar, that is students chapter 3, that is subject verb agreement. Students, let's see the example in your grammar textbook. Students, grandmother was praying and telling her beads. Now the example 2, the sparrow were not creeping. Here students, in example 1, was praying is the verb, and the second sentence you see guys where is the verb. So in English the verb was, look at my cursor students, the verb was agree with the subject grandmother. Now in second sentence the verb were agree with sparrows. So we know that sparrow is plural, ps plural subject, and in sentence 1 grandmother is singular subject. So the singular subject follow the singular verb sv, and in second sentence the plural subject follow the plural verb. So this is called subject verb agreement. That means students, but that means guys, I am writing that, look at my cursor, subject, there are two types of subject. One is guys singular subject, and guys plural subject. Like that guys, verb is two types in these cases. One is singular verb guys, and another one is guys pl, that means plural verb. So subject verb agreement means the singular subject guys draw the line singular verb, and the plural subject guys like the agree with the plural verb. So subject verb agreement means we know that the singular subject agree with the singular verb guys, and the plural subject guys agree with the plural verb. You will be better clarify what does subject verb agreement mean guys. Next guys, we go to the look at the table guys. Here subject, this one is verb column and this one is subject column guys, and we know I we know that this is ss, that means guys singular subject, and singular subject guys I agree with am. So I is singular subject, so guys am is singular verb. And I, guys, always agree with am. I am. We say I am. We, you, they, the students. These are the plural subject students. So plural subject agree with the plural verb. We can say we are in the school hall. You are in the school hall. They are in the school hall. The students are in the school hall. So these are called plural subject. So plural subject agree with the plural verb PP. Proceed on, guys. He is a subject. She is also a subject. It is also a subject. Gopal like Rani and the teacher. The teacher, guys. So these are called SS singular subject, and the singular subject always agree with a singular verb. So we say he is in the school hall. She is in the school hall, like this, guys. Now the see that, guys, the teacher and the students, the teacher and the students, the teacher is a singular subject and the students is the plural subject, guys. So the two subject can connect with the coordinate conjunction end. So this subject we say plural, guys, subject. So plural subject agree with the plural verb, guys, are. So we can say the teacher and the students are grass. Sorry, the teacher and the students are in the school hall. Guys, the cow. The cow is, guys, the refer one. So it is called singular subject. So we can say the cow eat grass. The cow eats grass. Like this second one, guys. The cows, goats and sheep. Cows, goats and sheep. These are called plural subject. So plural subject agree with a plural verb. So cows, goats and sheep eat grass. Cows eat grass and goat eat grass and sheep eat grass, guys. So that we can say here eats and eats, that if you ask a question eats and, guys, only eat, only eat, guys, only eat, guys. So eats is a singular verb and eat is a plural verb, guys. If a main verb add s or es, guys, we say this is singular verb, like play. Plays is a singular verb and play is a plural verb. So if a subject is plural verb, in that cases we use we play, they play, but the child plays. We can say the child plays, but the children play. So play is plural verb and plays is a singular verb, guys. Next, guys, proceed. Like we read some important rules, guys, of the subject verb agreement. We read important rule of the subject verb agreement. Rule 1, guys, in the previous video You watch and know the rule 1 guys. Rule 1 says us verb used after an introductory they have to agree with the noun coming after them. That means guys that if a sentence begins with there, so a verb comes after there may be singular, may be plural. So if a sentence begins with there, there is an introductory subject and here a book, that is the real subject. So the verb agree with book. The book is guys singular subject. So we put is and was according to the sense. Here there are oblique were 4 books on the desk. So in this sentence books is plural subject. So the are and were according to sense agree with books. We can say there are 4 books on the desk and there were 4 books on the desk. So if a sentence begins with there, the real subject coming after the verb, then the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. The subject is plural, the verb must be plural. You better understand my rule number 1 of the subject verb agreement guys. Next rule, proceed on guys. B. When it is used in the normal subject position to make a statement about time, distance, whether the verb is always singular. That is or was, guys. That means that if a sentence begins with it, the verb must be singular. Remember, guys, if a sentence begins with it, the verb must be singular. Let's read the example. It is oblique was 10 past 12. We can say it is 10 past 12. It was 10 past 12. Like this, we can say it is 2 miles to the beach and it was 2 miles to the beach. So it always takes singular verb. Remember, it guys, it always takes guys singular verb. Proceed on the rule 2 guys. Rule 2 says us when a plural number applies to distance, time, weight or amount of money and represents a single figure or quantity, it is treated as singular and it takes a singular verb guys. That means when a plural number applies to distance, look at the example guys, 50 kilometer. 50 kilometer, it is a plural number. 50 kilometer is a guys plural number. But we put singular verb guys each. 50 kilometer is not a long distance in these days of a rapid level. That means guys 50 kilometer is a plural number but it is refers a distance. So the rule 2 refers us that the plural number refers to distance, applies to distance, so we put singular verb. Understand guys? Next one. 60 years. 60 years always plural number. So 60 years always plural number. So is a long time. So plural number refers to a time. So we put singular verb. 2 kilos of tea. That means 2 kilos of tea guys refers weight refers weight, guys. So a plural number refers to weight, so we put singular verb. 2 kilos of tea cost 600 rupees. That means, guys, cost and costs. Not confuse, guys. Cost is plural verb and costs is singular verb. So cost singular verb. 5 rupees is not a big sum. The 5 rupees, that is plural number. And this plural numbers applies amount of money. So here, guys, the rule 2, which when a plural number applies to distance, time, weight, and amount of money, guys. So in the last example, in this rule, 5 rupees is a plural number, so it is applies amount of money, so we put a singular verb is. 5 rupees is not a big sum, guys. You would be understand in a better way, guys. Now proceed the rule 3, guys. Rule 3 indicates us, guys, if two nouns joined by and, if two nouns joined by and are regarded as a single object or notion, the verb is singular. If two nouns joined by and are regarded as a single object and notion, the verb is singular. Guys, bread and butter. Bread is noun, butter is also noun. But two nouns joined by and, but it is considered the two nouns as a single notion. It is considered two nouns are not different. Two nouns are considered a single notions, a single object or single notions. So the verb put singular verb. Like this, bread and butter and truth and honesty. That's the best policy. Truth and honesty. Truth is a noun and honesty is also a noun, but two noun connected and, so truth and honesty is considered as a single notion. So we can say this is singular subject. So we put singular verb, guys. Next, guys, curry and rice was his favorite subject. See, guys, curry and rice. Curry is noun and rice is also noun. And but the curry and rice we do not consider as a different way. We consider as a single object or notion. So in that particular cases, we put a singular verb as the sense. So curry and rice was his favorite food. Was singular verb. Is singular verb. Is singular verb. Proceed, guys. B, 3b. In the other cases, two singular or plural subject. In other cases, two singular or plural subject joined by and make the total subject plural, which takes plural verb. This rule follows in a different way from the rule 3a, guys. Look at the example, guys. Gopal and his sister have come. Look at Gopal and his sister. Here, Gopal is noun and his sister is also a noun. Gopal is a subject and his sister is also a subject. But in particular sense, Gopal is considered as a different way and his sister is considered in another object. So these two objects joined and not considered as single notions. So we can say Gopal and his sister plural subject PS. So plural subject takes plural verb. In that cases have according to sense we use have. Gopal and his sister dash come. যদি asks a question have and has, then you put have. Gopal and his sister dash come, so we put have because Gopal and his sister plural subject. Next one, two boys and three girls have written their essay. Two boys and three girls. Here guys, two boys and three girls. So this subject, these two nouns joined by n, but considered these two subject plural subject. So we put a plural verb with the plural subject. The two boys and their girl have written their essay. Then if a question asks you two boys and three girls dash written their essay, we put have or has. Then in particular sense we put have because this is plural subject, we put a plural verb. Here guys, rule 4, see. Here guys, rule 4 also indicates a collective noun. A collective noun in the singular may take singular verb if the speaker thinks of the thing as a singular whole. If individual members collective nouns are considered, the collective noun can take a plural verb. Mark the following sentence. Understand the rule 4a, that's guys. Explaining in the better way, we see the example first. The jury were divided in their opinion. Here guys, look at the jury is a collective noun and it takes a plural verb. Here the second one, the example jury is a collective noun but it takes a guys plural verb. Sorry guys, singular verb. That means a collective noun. We know that a collective noun takes both singular verb and a plural verb. When it takes singular verb and when it takes plural verb guys, look at. The jury were divided in their opinion. That means all the members of the jury different opinion on the particular issue. So the individual remarks divided. So this is not a one body. This is not a one body decisions. So we put where plural verb. In second one, the jury has selected its chairman. That means the jury has selected its chairman. That means guys, in this sense, all the members of the body refers as one body. So we put a singular verb in that cases. When it is considered as a one body, we put singular. When it is considered as the individual body, individual members of this body, we put a plural verb. Guys understand? And let's another example in this rule. The committee was unanimous on this issue. The committee is a collective noun. The committee, so it takes singular verb was. Here the example, the committee were divided on this issue. In that cases, the committee were divided on this issue. That means the committee take plural verb wise, but the committee take singular verb wise. That means the committee was unanimously on this issue. That means all the members refers as single unity in these cases. So we put was singular verb. But in these cases, the committee were divided on the issue. That means all the member of the committee That's remarks the individual way. So we put a plural verb. Okay, guys. Let's the another rule, guys. Look at the guys. B. Some nouns like police, people, poultry, cattle usually takes plural verb. The simple rule, guys, the police is a plural noun. So we put a plural verb. The policy not has. The policy always takes a plural verbs. The police have not made any arrest. Then that this is the police is a plural noun and have is also plural verb. Second one, the people of India dash concerned. The people of India, people that is people is a plural noun, so we put a plural verb. Or the poultry have been fed, that is plural noun pn, so have is a plural verb. The cattle are grazing in the field. Here, guys, the cattle is plural noun, r is plural verb. So police, people, poultry and cattle always takes the plural verb, guys. Proceed the rule 5, guys. Look at the guys rule 5. The nouns clothing, food, furniture, stationery, cutlery, crockery, jewelry and scenery always takes singular verb, guys. Clothing, his clothing dash very attractive. His clothing is very attractive because clothing is singular subject. Food is necessary for living, so food is uncountable noun, so food is singular subject, so we put is singular verb. Here the furniture is singular subject and needs is singular verb. We said, guys, need and needs, not confuse. Need and needs. Need, look at, guys, need and needs. This is plural verb, this is singular verb. The furniture, that means singular subject, needs to be repaired, needs is a singular subject. Stationery is sold in this shop. Stationery, that is singular subject, so is a singular verb. Stationery dash sold in this shop. Stationery is sold in this shop.